This video I'm gonna be like just okay. I'm gonna that just like be
Oh, I hope my parents don't see the F in my diary, or I'm completely done.
crook. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna be ringing the doorbell. So because like there's a glitch that mom will open the gate eventually. Because like yeah, and I saw that on Fulton, and I'm pretty sure also Taylor. So yeah, and to make this extreme, we're gonna put support first. No, you know what? Let's just do easy. Yeah.
Let's go!
Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna skip this part. I've already watched it. Runway ads.
I can't do what I don't like. I want to live freely.
Okay, so it'll be.
I'm coming! Huh?
No, just everything mom. Mother. Mother. It's the attitude. Okay, let's not start. Guys, so I'm gonna give you a
Looks like
sneak
no one's here.
peek of the next video. Okay. So it's in this game and it's on the computer and it includes just texting that. I think I just leave it away. What's this? Hi baby. Okay, doors open to is in
Much longer.
Mother. Fucker. Is she? Is it this? Hi. This is what we have about music.
What's going on there?
Cook? Am I cook?
I hope I don't get caught. I hope I don't get caught.
Oh, go. Oh,
Top right, gotcha!
bruh.
220 squats quick. 1, 2,
I hate this one.
3. 4.
Okay.
4.
Mom, your phone is that.
4.
What? How is this so short?
5. 6. 6. 7.
I'm just trying to overthink for it again.
8.
Let's just skip this one. Low-key like
8. 8. 8. 8. 8.
what? Like genuinely what?
8.
Like stop! Oh.
9.
Thank you.
10. 11. 12.
I'm just looking at this.
13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Watch yourself. Behave well from now on.
Bruh, why do I keep getting an ad after I finish a Bruh, let me just shut up. There's no noise.
Terrible.
Huh?
Mother.
Well,
Aha! Come!
I don't want to sweep the floors!
Grab the broom and get to it! I don't want a single speck of dust left.
Shut up. Wait. Let me just read this in the car. Yeah. I'm supposed to not be very fast. How did I get home like that? Oh yeah. Because of playing music. That just stupid. Honestly. Oh my gosh.
Well, at least you can do something.
Well, shut
Now
up.
get to your books.
Why? 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 Okay, let's go.
I'm coming.
Yeah, you better. Come on.
Where are you going? Ah!
Okay. Okay.
Are there kids fooling around?
Well, how do you turn on the video? Okay. Ma'am.
Here we go again.
I don't understand. Maybe I just want to
I'll go check.
I don't want to study. I don't want to study. Bro.
I'm coming out now.
No, does she like move without the mouse?
If I move while crouching, my parents won't hear me.
Gotcha! Wasn't I told you?
Oh my gosh! Oh my
Ha!
gosh! This actually song. Let's retry. Oh my gosh, why do I keep getting ads?
That's not fair. Now I have to sit and do homework because of that teacher.
I'm just gonna like,
I'm coming.
yeah. Oh, why is it so cute here? Okay. Shit, mode now.
Ah, terrible.
Are there kids fooling around? Right there! Hiding! Just you wait.
Oh my god.
Grab the broom and get
Oh,
to it!
sorry.
I don't want a single speck of dust left.
Go, mom. Bro, what? What's wrong? Rob, do the video. What's wrong? Don't you guys tell me that later? Just walk. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 for that.
What a lazy.
I thought you should not fucking lazy. I didn't really find it like Oh gosh, I hate this. Yeah, I hate this. Mother, why would you do this yourself? It's like, they let you leave now. There's like,
All missed.
mostly. There's
Well,
barely.
at least you can do something. Now
Just
get to your
bite
books.
her hand. Let's go.
Wait a minute.
Okay. So to have fun, it's like gonna go the dad's room and just say for now.
Well, and.
Okay. Let me just. We're gonna order one.
Rascals.
Restore my homework. Oh my gosh, why does this escape remind me of
Well?
school? Well, I'm doing my homework.
Who left the lights on?
Mom, it's not me. I'm doing my homework.
What was that? Who gave you permission to leave the room?
Gosh, I'm
Come on, get to it and make sure the floor shines.
yup. Get to go for bedtime. Okay, you know what? From now on, just like.
Come on, come on.
What an idiot, huh?
I talk about mom because I just don't like that.
Good job. Go to your room. I'll come check on you later.
Okay. Why do we keep getting ads? Like, this is not fun.
I'm coming out now. Well? Wouldn't notice the open door. Now you're gonna get it.
Well, and. How many
Guys,
times do
come
I
back
have to
my
repeat?
school because I cannot do the same. Bye, guys. Just bye. Anyway, if you want to download the game, boom. Bye, guys.